You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this river or tributary in Pennsylvania. For more names of famous places around the US, make sure to stay tuned. We've got tons more that are even more confusing than this one, so stay tuned. All right, so I've put the phonetic spelling on your screen. The pronunciation is Youghiogheny, okay? I know the spelling doesn't really make sense. It should be Youghiogheny or something. No, Youghiogheny. Youghiogheny. Some say it a bit more as Youghiogheny. It's something around there. I believe the most common pronunciation, Youghiogheny River. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.